I'm standing on great shoulders. And so I hope today that we've made all of Titusville proud because of the great work that they have done here at Booker T. Washington K-8 School. And I want to give a shout out to all of our alumni from Washington School to say that this is a proud day for us.
And I think what it does for our students is it builds a sense of pride. Just imagine students going to a school that was segregated and did not have equal opportunities. And now you're in a situation where you can come to class and you can be shoulder to shoulder with anyone. I think it builds a sense of pride in our students, and then it gives them like a charge for the future.
I mentioned that it's amazing that we get to celebrate this honor at the end of Black History Month, because this is history alive and well, and this school is carrying on a rich legacy of Black excellence, of academia, and it really shared a message to the young people who were here on today.
The children, they need to know where they come from. They need to know that they are not thrown away, that they carry a rich history